Hello, in this video we'll show how to assign devices to the monitoring environment. So if we are in the connectivity environment in our devices and we would like to move a couple of devices into a specific monitoring environment, or we would like to share these devices with the customer who wants to import them into their monitoring environment, we can select sensors which we want to move and select Get Claim Tokens. This will actually copy the hash IDs of the devices. If you have a list of devices somewhere else, you can just copy them here. To make sure, you should just make sure that you have one hash ID per line. And if you request this, you will be given one claim token per device. So we can copy this and we can go to the monitoring environment, and here we navigate to devices and we add devices, and we can do this with one click. We can import all devices at once, and now we have these devices imported. We can also see that in the connectivity environment before they were not assigned. Now these devices are in the tutorial environment. If you want to remove a device and move it to a different environment, it's easy. You can just delete this device, for example, this one. Now it's again available to be imported into a different environment.